So, you think that a do-it-yourself rehab of a rural property is for you? Every day a project. 365 days later with a little skill, there will be tangible progress. There will also likely be much sweat and a bit of blood. A journey of small steps, much joy and fulfillment. This was today.
Hey, what do we got going on here? Well, it's a long day. It's about 8:30 at night. I have a day job up at 5, do that day job till 1 or 2 in the afternoon. But we've been knocking down some trees here, and look what we've got going on here this evening. We're just trailered these over. That's about 8,000 pounds. Actually more like about 9,500 pounds of Douglas fir on that trailer. I can tell by the way that thing's sitting and by the way it pulled over here. And finally here, after selling our Langley property a year and a bit ago and losing a log deck that had probably had about 20,000 board feet in it from logs that we had dropped on that property, we're getting this back so that we can keep that little sawmill over there busy. And tons of little projects going on here. I don't sell any of this wood, the finished product or otherwise. It all gets used, and we've got projects that are going to use all of this, starting with a whole new little arrangement for animals, corrals, feeding stations, chicken coop. There's other stuff down there that needs rebuilding. A new 32-foot long bridge across the creek for walking and for ATVs. And, oh yeah, lest I forget, the greenhouse. And then up on that beautiful hillside, we've got plans for some camping platforms and a little cooking station. It's a completely separate topic. Hey, I made the best French fries this past weekend that I've ever tasted using a little portable deep fryer. Hey, wilderness French fries, don't knock them till you've tried them. So we're going to get at this, and for the amusement of others, starting with grandchildren, we're going to get a first-hand view of how these logs are offloaded from the trailer. I've got this flat deck trailer, I gotta tell you, by the folks at AA, has been a lifesaver, and I got some little custom-made bunks for it, and they're just terrific. And I get this thing strapped down, and we can move logs around on the property and get them over here. I'm really liking the way that log deck is taking shape, and it's gonna look even better in an hour. Let's do this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put down a little brow log here. If you don't know what that means, hey, that's the vernacular I grew up with. It's a log so that a machine with forks can come along and pick it up. I'm not going to run the tracks off this excavator taking logs back and forth to that deck over there. This machine is aging. It's 21 years old this year, and I'm just going to continue to honor and respect it and treat it well. So let's jump on this. We'll drop a brow log and then see what happens from there. Okay, and it's time to switch up the equipment here. Let's do this.